Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host Farhan Iqbal and you're watching Newspoint. So yesterday we posted our forecast for the FSW draw, that if it is going to be an FSW draw, then what kind of cutoff there would be. Now let's take a look at the numbers. We went over the numbers in the previous video as well, but I'll just go through the numbers again, and then we will take a look that if it is going to be a PNP CEC only draw, then what kind of draw it could be. I have talked in the previous video that there is a possibility that they might continue PNP CEC only draws for a while, and there is also a possibility that it would be only be a 1 and 1, one PNP CEC and then one FSW draw, which we saw previously. Only after 2 weeks we would know what is actually going to happen. It is at this time it is hard to say. I would say both things have 50-50 chance. We would only know in 2 weeks that what kind of pattern they are going to continue. Let's take a look at the data and then see where we are, and then what could be the cutoff if it is going to be a PNP CEC only draw. So normally I am making videos on the draws forecast and about the express entry draws whenever they happen. I recently made a vlog as well. It was from summers when I went to a lake with my friends. So watch the vlog and let us know how did I do. I know it was our first try, and I know the videography is probably not the greatest, and you might feel that I was a little lost in few places, but it was our first attempt. I hope we'll get better with time. Probably at the corner of your screen you can see a link to the vlog. If you're a regular visitor of our channel, please watch the vlog as well and support us so that we continue making these videos. Thank you. If you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell button so that you never miss any of the notifications from our side.
So if we assume that the next draw is going to be CEC draw again, then we should take a look at the number of people in 461 and especially 451 to 460 range as well. So in 461 to 470, there are 10,664 people, but majority of the CEC people from this category have been taken out because the cutoff was 461. So anybody who was higher than 462 and was CEC, they are out of the pool already. So the next number or next group to look at for CEC only draw is 451 to 460. There are 11,951 candidates in this category. I normally say that especially 470 and higher, about 50% of the people who are applying, they are CEC only. However, it would not be wise to say that out of these 12,000 people, 50% are CEC. I would say CEC are much lower because CEC draw happened, I believe, in August and cutoff was 454. So anybody who is above 454 and CEC would only have been added in these past 3 or 4 months. So I would say that majority of the people in this range are actually non-CEC. I would say, looking at this number from August, when the CEC draw had happened, there were still about 8,800 people and the cutoff was 454. I would say maybe out of this 7 to 8,000 people are non-CEC and only about 4,000 people are CEC. So if the next draw is going to be CEC only and 5,000 ITAs are issued, cutoff would come down significantly. My prediction for the cutoff in the next draw, if it is going to be CEC only, would be 452, 454. So just to summarize, if the next draw is again CEC only draw and 5,000 ITAs are issued combining PNP and CEC, the cutoff would be very close to 453. It could be 452, it could be 454, but my bet is on 453.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, this is your host Farhan Iqbal signing off. Assalamu alaikum.